Have you ever wondered when a truck delivers a goods worth lakhs of rupees across different states, who pays the taxes, the transporter or the company hiring them? The answer is not that simple. In the world of transportation, every invoice tells the story of GST, TDS and compliances. Suppose it is a freight bill. Let's imagine contractor raises a bill of rupee 1 lakh for a freight. At first glance, it looks like just another payment, but here is where the accountant step in. The law says if it is a goods transportation agency, GST does not appear on the invoice. Instead, the company must pay GST itself under the reverse charge mechanism. Now the accountant thinks the freight is rupees 1 lakh. GST under RCM at the rate rupees 5% is equal to 5,000. TDS at the rate 2%, that is 2,000. So the contractor get only 98,000. The company pays rupees 5,000 GST to directly to the government and then claim it back as an ITC, input tax credit. One invoice but three different transactions. Suppose instead of it freight bill, it is a repair bill. Next day, the same truck goes for the repair. The garage issues the bill of rupees 50,000 plus GST at the rate 18% equal to 9,000. Here the GST work differently. The garage charges GST under the forward charge. The company pays the full 59,000 rupees and later claim 9,000 as an ITC. No TDS at this time. See the contrast. When it is a freight bill, RCM भी लगेगा प्लस TDS भी कटेगा. ठीक है. इन केस ऑफ रिपेयर बिल इज फॉरवर्ड बेसिस पे टैक्स लगेगा, फॉरवर्ड GST लगेगा और TDS का कोई रोल नहीं रहेगा. नो TDS. To avoid mistake as an accountant, follow the simple flow. Step 1, check if the invoice is freight or repair. First thing. Step 2, if it is a freight, check GTA और individual truck owner. That is GTA है या individual truck owner है, check करो. Then third step is apply RCM plus TDS अगर GTA है. Step 4, अगर repair है तो नॉर्मल GST, TDS का कोई रोल नहीं रहेगा. देन स्टेप 5, इंश्योर कि ईवे बिल प्रॉपर हो, ITC रिकैंसिलेशन सही से हो एंड टाइमली टैक्स पेमेंट हो जाए. ठीक है. सो द नेक्स्ट टाइम यू सी अ ट्रक कैरिंग अ गुड्स ऑन द हाईवे, रिमेंबर बिहाइंड एवरी डिलीवरी देयर इज एन अकाउंटेंट इंश्योरिंग द राइट TDS, the right GST and the right compliances, because in transportation taxation is not just a number. It is a fuel that keeps the business growing.